Today's recipe is shrimp teriyaki. This is a quick and easy recipe that you can complete in 30 minutes. You'll start with about a pound of shrimp, mix in a little cornstarch, some salt and pepper, and garlic powder. Add a little oil to a hot pan. Saute your shrimp for about 3 minutes. Remove the shrimp and add a half a cup of diced onion. I've sauteed my onions for a few minutes. Now I'm adding a mixture of mixed vegetables, broccoli, and mushroom. You want to season that with a little salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, ginger, and a little chicken bouillon. Here I'm adding about a quarter cup of soy sauce. Now I'm adding about a half a cup of brown sugar. Mix that well and add a cornstarch slurry, which is about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to 2 tablespoons of water. Once your sauce has thickened, add your cooked shrimp. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment for more videos.